Good morning, children. So already last class exercise 1.2 up to 3 sums completed. Now I am going to fourth sum. A related B if A is similar to B. Similar means sides are proportional. First one is reflexive. Reflexive means A related A. A is similar to A. Therefore, R is reflexive. Second one, symmetric. Symmetric, A related B, so B related A. So A, B, C, P, Q, R. 3, so 3, 6, 9. 6, 12, 18. Sides are proportional. So sides are proportional. 3 by 3, 6. 6 by 3, 2. 12 by 6, 2. 9, 18 by 9, 2. So sides are proportional. A related B. A is similar to B. B related A. B is similar to A. Therefore, R is symmetric. Then third one, transitive. 3 triangle, draw 3 triangle. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. 3, 6, 9, 6, 12, 15. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Then 9 3s are 9. So 3, 6, 9. 6 by 3, 2. 12 by 6. So 9, 18, 27. 6 by 3, 2. Everything equal. 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 18. Everything 3. So transitive definition: A related B and B related C. So A related C. A related B. A is similar to A is similar to B and B is similar to C, so A is similar to C. Therefore, R is transitive. So, R is reflexive, R is symmetric, R is transitive. For all the three conditions satisfying, it is an equivalence. It is an equivalence. Now I am going to fifth sum. A related B if 2A plus 3B equal to 30 given. So 2A plus 3B equal to 30 plus 2A inside minus 2A. 3B equal to 30 minus 2A. B equal to 30 minus 2A by 3. Now, first when A equal to 1, 30 minus 2, 28 fraction coming. A equal to 2, 2 2s are 4. 30 minus 4, 26 by 3 fraction coming. When A equal to 3, when A equal to 3, B equal to 30 minus 2, 3s are 6 by 3. So, 24 by 3. So, 8 times. Next, when A equal to multiples of 3, 6. B equal to 30 minus 2 into 6, 12 by 3. So, 18 by 3. How many times? 6 times. Then, when A equal to 9. B equal to 30 minus 2 9s are 18 by 3. So 12 by 3 4 times. When A equal to 12. So B equal to 30 minus 2 into 12, 24 by 3. So 6 by 3. So 2. First, the given question, write down the elements of R. R equal to, what are the values coming? 3, 8, 6, 6, 9, 4, 12, 2. First one is reflexive. Reflexive means A related A. 3, 3 is not given. 6, 6 is given. 9, 9 is not given. 12, 12 is not given. For all the conditions satisfied, then only it is a reflexive. So 3, 3 is not related, does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Second one, symmetry. So 3, 8 belongs to R, but 8, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Transitive also not satisfied. 3 comma 8 belongs to R. 8 comma something is not given. So R is not transitive. So for all the conditions satisfied, it is an equivalence. So conclusion, it is not an equivalence. It is not an equivalence. Now I am going to sixth one, friendship. Friendship is not an equivalence. First one is reflexive. Only one person you take, A related A. A is not a friend of A. A is not a friend of A. Therefore, R is reflexive. Second one, symmetric. Symmetric means A related B, B related A. A related B, A is a friend of B. B related A, B is a friend of A. Therefore, R is symmetric. The next one, transitive. A related B and B related C, so A related C. A related B, A is a friend of B. A is a friend of B and B related C, B is a friend of C. So A related C, A is need not be. So A is need not be a friend of C. Therefore, R is not transitive. All the three conditions satisfy, it is an equivalence. First is two conditions only satisfied, so it is not an equivalence. It is not an equivalence. Now I am going to seventh one. A related B if A plus B less than or equal to 6. First one, write down the pairs. The pairs are equal to first 1 comma 1, because 1 comma 1 a b 1 plus 1 2 2 less than or equal to 6, condition satisfied. Then 1 comma 2 3 1 plus 2 3 3 less than or equal to 6, satisfied. 1 comma 3 4 less than or equal to 6. Then 1 comma 4 1 plus 4 5 5 less than or equal to 6. 1 comma 5 1 plus 5 6 6 less than or equal to 6, correct. The next 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. The next one 3 comma 1 3 comma 2 3 comma 3 4 comma 1 4 comma 2. So the next 5 comma 1. So first one is reflexive. For all the conditions satisfied, then only it is a reflexive. 1 related 1 is given, 2 related 2 is given, 3 related 3 is given, 4 related 4 is not given. So 4 related 4 is not related to 4. Therefore R is not reflexive. Then second one, symmetry. A related 1 related 5 5 related 1 1 related 5 and 5 related 1. Therefore R is symmetry. Third one, transitive. Transitive. So 4 related to, so 4 related to 4 related to and 2 related 3, but 4 is not related 3. So R is not transitive. For all the 3 conditions satisfied, it is an equivalence. Now you write down the conclusion. It is not an equivalence. Now I am going to 8th one. A equal to set of A comma B comma C. Find the smallest and largest cardinality. Before I give an hint. Smallest means repeated. Largest means repeated plus remaining. A equal to A comma B comma C. First one smallest cardinality of A. So smallest cardinality of A. Smallest means repeated. First A given, A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. So cardinality, number of elements in the set 1, 2, 3. So smallest cardinality 3. Second, you will find largest cardinality of A. Largest means repeated. What are the repeated? A, B, B, C, C plus remaining A, B, A, C, A comma B, A comma C, B comma A, B comma C, C comma A, C comma B. Therefore cardinality, number of element in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore cardinality equal to 9. So thank you children.